Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Britain became a superpower. We'll begin by exploring the foundational elements that set Britain on its path to global dominance. Early naval supremacy was crucial, allowing for extensive exploration and the establishment of vital trade networks. These initial steps, combined with strategic political maneuvers, laid the groundwork for future expansion and influence across the world. Next, we'll delve into the era of vast colonial expansion. Britain established a massive global empire, securing access to immense resources and new markets. Companies like the East India Company were instrumental in this process, creating extensive trade networks that brought immense wealth back to the home country. This period solidified Britain's position as a leading global power. Then, we examine the profound impact of the Industrial Revolution. This period saw Britain become the world's first industrialized nation, with groundbreaking innovations in textiles, steam power, and metallurgy. This economic boom provided the financial and material resources necessary to maintain and expand its global influence, setting it apart from other nations. Finally, we'll look at the peak of British power and its lasting legacy. At its height, the British Empire covered approximately 1/4 of the world's land area, with its navy dominating the seas. This extensive reach left an indelible mark on global culture, law, and trade, shaping many aspects of the modern world we see today.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.